Learn English to Gujarati. Weather phrases with
के नहीं.
Welcome to the land of maybe. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Gujarati sentences for those moments when life says, maybe. And honestly, life says, maybe, a lot. Today you will hear 5 powerful English to Gujarati phrases. They all circle around one very useful idea, whether or not, which often appears as
કે નહીં.
Our stars of the show are
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે. અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં. તેને ખબર નથી કે તે સાચું છે કે નહીં. તેણે પૂછ્યું કે અમે આવવાના હતા કે નહીં.
and
કોઈ તપાસે છે કે તે કામ કરે છે કે નહીં.
If that looks long, do not worry. We will tame these sentence monsters one friendly bite at a time. The suspicious sandwich. Let's start with a thought you can use at work, at home, or while staring at a sandwich built by chaos. Yes, a suspicious sandwich can be a teacher. Imagine your friend says, I put ice cream, olives, and noodles inside bread. It is a genius lunch. You smile politely because you are a decent human. But inside your brain, a tiny judge wearing glasses whispers,
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે.
In English, I wonder if that makes sense. This phrase is thoughtful, soft, and a little doubtful. You are not yelling, this is nonsense. You are gently putting the idea under a lamp and asking, really? Try it again slowly.
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે.
Very good. Now say it like you just saw someone trying to charge a banana with a phone cable.
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે.
Time Detective Agency. Now let's solve the ancient mystery of scheduling. No dragon is as dangerous as a group chat trying to pick a meeting time. Your team wants to invite one guy. Simple, right? Wrong. First, you need to know if he is actually free. So in Gujarati, you say,
અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં.
In English, we clarify whether he has time. Picture 3 serious coworkers staring at one wristwatch like it contains the secrets of the universe. One finally says,
અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં.
Keyword alert.
સમય
Means time. And again you hear,
કે નહીં.
whether or not. Say it once more, like a very organized hero with a calendar cape.
અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં.
Rumor gymnastics. This next phrase is perfect for gossip, rumors, and wild internet posts that claim a parrot now runs a bank. You know, normal modern life. Someone says, I heard the moon is tired and taking a vacation. A woman listens, blinks twice, and wisely refuses to commit. In Gujarati.
તેને ખબર નથી કે તે સાચું છે કે નહીં.
In English, she doesn't know whether that's true. This is a very useful sentence when you want to show uncertainty without drama. The core idea is,
ખબર નથી.
does not know. And
સાચું
means true. Try it.
તેને ખબર નથી કે તે સાચું છે કે નહીં.
Excellent. That is the perfect phrase for fake news, weird rumors, and family stories that begin with, apparently your uncle once fought a goose. Are we coming or are we already here? Now for reported speech. This one sounds advanced, but you can absolutely handle it. Imagine you are outside a house. Your group is literally at the door. Shoes on, bags in hand, faces visible. And from inside, a man calls out to ask if you are coming. Comedy. The Gujarati sentence is,
તેણે પૂછ્યું કે અમે આવવાના હતા કે નહીં.
In English, he asked whether we were coming. The useful verb here is
પૂછ્યું.
asked. And
અમે આવવાના હતા.
gives the idea of we were coming. Say it with me.
તેણે પૂછ્યું કે અમે આવવાના હતા કે નહીં.
Nice. Reported speech can feel formal, but this structure is very practical in daily conversation. The button of destiny. Our last phrase is for testing, checking, and pressing buttons with cautious hope. Very human behavior. A projector stands silent before a big presentation. 10 people stare at it like it owes them money. One brave soul walks forward and says,
કોઈ તપાસે છે કે તે કામ કરે છે કે નહીં.
In English, one checks whether it works. The important parts are
તપાસે છે,
checks and
કામ કરે છે.
works. This sentence is useful for machines, phones, microphones, apps, printers, and that one lamp in your house that only works if you whisper compliments to it. Again.
કોઈ તપાસે છે કે તે કામ કરે છે કે નહીં.
Quick recall challenge. You are doing great. Now let's test your memory with a fast and fun review. How do you say, I wonder if that makes sense?
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે.
How do you say, we clarify whether he has time?
અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં.
How do you say, she doesn't know whether that's true?
તેને ખબર નથી કે તે સાચું છે કે નહીં.
How do you say, he asked whether we were coming?
તેણે પૂછ્યું કે અમે આવવાના હતા કે નહીં.
How do you say, one checks whether it works?
કોઈ તપાસે છે કે તે કામ કરે છે કે નહીં.
Bonus pattern. Notice how often you heard
કે નહીં.
that little piece helps build whether or not meaning. Friendly conclusion. Nice work today. You just practiced real Gujarati for doubt, truth, timing, questions, and testing. Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating these sentences out loud until they start to feel natural.
મને આશ્ચર્ય થાય છે કે શું એ સમજણભર્યું છે. અમે સ્પષ્ટ કરીએ છીએ કે તેની પાસે સમય છે કે નહીં. તેને ખબર નથી કે તે સાચું છે કે નહીં. તેણે પૂછ્યું કે અમે આવવાના હતા કે નહીં. કોઈ તપાસે છે કે તે કામ કરે છે કે નહીં.
Practice a little, laugh a little, and come back again. You are making real progress.